October 5th, out here back at Lucas Oil Raceway Park for the last points race of the year. Today is, I think they call it Championship Saturday. Last day you can make up points. So, yeah, happy to be home, and beautiful day. It is absolutely gorgeous out here right now. So we're gonna hope get some make some good runs. Give a shout out to my sponsor, Sandusky Repair, for all the support. My lovely wife, my beautiful baby girl, my mom, my dad. My dad was so helpful out here all year. All of you guys watching and liking and subscribing, we really appreciate it here on Bubba's Garage. So we're excited to bring lots more content. I do have some projects for the winter and stuff that I'm getting ready to go through, so I'm going to try to video that stuff as well. So we're going to get after it here. We're a couple lanes back. I'm going to try this camera view for the day. This thing's on a swivel, so I can just kind of turn it left and right. I might move it if I'm in the left lane, but for now I'm just going to leave it here. 2 practice hits. We're set up 00. Let's get after it. First hit. Pretty surprised. It went a 94. I'm 005 red, which I probably need to drop a pound out the front, but pretty fast. 103. I don't hit 103 very much. So 1294 with a 9, so 1295. Really happy with that. So we'll keep trucking along today. All right, everybody. Back in the lanes for a second round of practice. Last practice of the day. Went 1294 with a 9, call it 95. The last hit, which is pretty quick, especially for being back here at Raceway Park. So excited about that. The app is showing it looks like it's probably going to run a 99, maybe a 13 flat. Hopefully it doesn't fall off any more than that. So again, beautiful day of racing here, and we're going to get after it here. Let's go do a burnout. All right, here we go. here at 103 again, so I was a little slow in the 8th, but it seemed to pick back up on the big end. I'm just going to keep knocking tire pressure down till we can get it, because I like the spot on the tree I have. So I dropped a pound there. I'll drop another pound. Let's see how Ron does. Ron is 004. 84, so, all right, first round next. Hey, all right, guys, in the lanes for round 1. Car went a 96 last hit. We got a pretty good little tailwind. I honestly think I might pick up a little bit. I put a 96 on it. I'm guessing I'm either running dead on or gonna have to scrub a little, but we'll see. Got a little 12 second S10 up here. So, all right, we're gonna get after it. All right, first round. Get after it. Something, I don't know, but we're 001. Maybe we'll get to buy next round if Ron uses it. But yeah, baby, finally chasing a 00 all day. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. So we are sitting on the potential buy. I'm not sure how many cars there are. Still waiting for them to come around the corner, but either way. Probably leave the 6 on it either way, just because I think I'm feeling pretty good with it. Definitely think I'm holding a couple, so we should be all right. But we're gonna get ready to get after here. I'm gonna check tire pressures and get ready. All right, round 2. auto-tune, I'm trip zip. What a filthy race. Hey, alright, sitting on the bye for third round. I was trip zip last hit, 1 thou under. We will be going to a ladder next round, so try my best here. Looks like I got this our stock automatic, beautiful Ford Maverick. So he's dialed 1325. I'll leave the 96 on the window. Got a pretty good little tailwind here, so I think I'm probably holding a couple. So we'll get down there and see what we can do. Let's go red white. All right, round 3. We're 25 and way above, so we'll take the win. I think we're down to 7. Hey, all right, down to 7 cars, 4th round. Got my buddy Jeff Stillbauer in his 17-second Explorer. So went ahead and dialed down 2 to a 94. I still think I'm holding, so smacked the tree, but hit the tree good, so keep that going and see if we can get down there and get him. So the car is absolutely righteous right now. Let's keep it rolling. All right, we are in the final against our good buddy Ellis Booth. Wave, Ellis. All right, 2 4s. Great day of racing. Car picked up a ton last hit, and I mean a ton. Went an 84. I haven't ran an 80 in this car in 10 years, so we're gonna suit up. I put a 90 on it. I don't know if it's gonna slow down or if it's gonna stay the same, so let's get it! was.